Hey y'all, this is Southern Woods here. Welcome to another special and important video this time around. Yes, if you heard the news or have looked at my channel as of late, you know that we have hit over 500 subscribers. All right, we finally reached a small milestone in the fact that one, I can finally technically start making money off of YouTube. All right, and two, I can finally start chasing YouTube as a career instead of just a hobby, because what coincided with that 500 subscriber mark is I'm done student teaching. I graduate from college next week, so I'm officially done with education and can take this year to really hone in my craft and try to work full-time into YouTube and turn this into my career, which is really what I'd love to do. With that being said, I have a few things I want to talk about. Again, a lot of information in this video that's very important to y'all as viewers and to me, of course. So stick around, hunker down for a few minutes as I talk about it. I'll section it out in the chapters. So if there's a specific subject you want to hear more about, you can skip to it. First and foremost, as I alluded to, I will be doing YouTube full time for the foreseeable future, unless I just run out of money and am not growing to the point to where it's sustainable. But we're going to try my best this next year and hopefully the year after that and year after that, and try to really turn this into a living for me. All right, make a living off of it, doing things that I enjoy. Wouldn't be possible without y'all. So I'm very thankful to the ones that are already subbed, already on board, and hopefully we can get a lot of people joining the Southern Woods community, right? So me going full-time means that I'm going to really try to upload daily, all right? My goal is maybe video one day, short the next, video short, so that every day there's at least some sort of content. All right, some people prefer short, some people prefer videos, so every other day kind of thing, but still having something published every single day is what I'm going to try to do. I don't know if that's going to be sustainable. I'm going to try my best. If for some reason it isn't, I'll maybe do just a little bit less. But we'll see. But as of now, like Monday will be a video, Tuesday short, Wednesday video, Thursday short, etc. From there on. Yeah, so I'm going to be devoting 40, 50 hours a week, maybe a little bit more even to the channel. All right, making videos, filming, whether that be indoor videos, simulations, food reviews, outdoor videos, some bigger projects that are on the horizon. There will be days dedicated to filming. There will be days dedicated to editing each week, as well as my music. I have my microphone right here just out of camera, as well as anything else that may relate to the channel that I want to do. So with that being said, I'm going to try to upload often, something every day, and hopefully things just continue to grow quality-wise, efficiency, and I'm going to, see how this goes. So that's one thing I want to talk about, that yes, I'm going in full-time into YouTube, trying to make this my career. Thank you to everyone who's trying to help me by liking, subbing, sharing, etc. And I'll be trying to, stay busy and upload something every day. All right, second thing I want to say, as I alluded to again earlier, with having 500 subs, you can technically make money off of YouTube via live stream super chat and YouTube memberships, all right, which is like Patreon. However, even though I've reached 500 subs, I also need 3,000 watch hours within a 365 days, within a year, right? We're hovering around 900 hours, so we're like a third of the way there. With that being said, I'm asking a big favor, and if you're not on your phone or you're not on your laptop, all right, just have my videos playing in the background for a little while. If everyone can, keep the videos rolling for a little bit, hopefully I can hit 3,000 watch hours, be able to officially join the YouTube revenue, whatever the hell, and then, that's that. Then I don't really have to worry about maintaining those high number of watch hours for now. But until I can reach 3,000 watch hours, I technically can't make money. So I got the 500 subs, I need the 3,000 watch hours. So maybe watch some old videos that you haven't seen before, explore the channel. I have over 500 videos. Find something new that you want to watch, or just play it in the background for a bit. Help me out there. That way we can officially, fund this dream of mine that hopefully y'all will continue to watch and enjoy. The final thing I'm going to say is how I'm going to try to make money in the meantime before we hit 3,000 watch hours. So I was thinking, all right, what should I do? All right, don't want to do Patreon because there will already be a YouTube membership thing available soon. I'm not big enough for a merch store. However, there could be something. All right, let me take a sip of water and then I'll explain. I was thinking, all right, how about every couple weeks, so maybe twice a month, I'll put a couple exclusive limited time merch items that either A, will never be seen in a future merch store once I eventually have my own merch store, or maybe B, I want to show off now, want someone to get their hands on in the meantime. So essentially what I'm saying is I have an eBay account, all right, which of course will be linked in, and I'm going to have 2 or 3 items on the auction block every couple weeks. All right, for example, let me show you the first 2 items I'm going to have on eBay auction. All right, the first one, all right, some may want this, some may not, but I'm thinking ahead, all right, in case I do make it big. This will definitely be one of those sought-after collector items that someone can have, and that is the first ever merch piece that I ever bought for myself for the channel. All right, the Southern Woods. It's a black shirt, and I didn't even remove the damn background. That's how great it is. Okay, it has a printed Southern Woods TSW autograph, and of course, for y'all, since I want this to be something y'all really want to get your hands on, I have an actual autograph in the other corner. So, I mean, it's not the best design ever by any means, but it's the first thing I ever designed for the channel merch-wise. So this will be on the auction block, all right? Essentially, if you don't know how eBay auctions work, it's like an auction. You make a bid, all right? Someone else can bid higher than you. Whoever has the highest bid will get this. And, hey, who knows? Maybe, the odds are not many people are going to want to, get their hands on something like this. All right, currently maybe. So maybe you only have a few people to compete with. There's a chance that you could get a shirt or a hat or whatever for less than it probably would cost if I had a merch store. All right, maybe you can get it for 10, 15 bucks. Who knows? But essentially, you go to the link below in this channel, go to the eBay, all right, throw a bid out there. If you don't win, you don't have to pay, all right? I know some auction sites are weird, like if you say, hey, I want this for 10 bucks and you lose the bid, you still have to pay like a fee or 10 bucks. I'm pretty sure eBay auctions isn't like that. You only pay if you win. So this is one of the items that's on there, all right? Again, not the best looking thing. It's been worn already, but I'm thinking if this were to go as like a big collector's item, it'd probably be something like, think about that. If you want Michael Jordan's stuff, a previously worn signed autographed jersey is very sought after, so why not the first ever piece of merch I ever made? I don't know. But the other one, all right, unworn, brand new, still with the tags, Southern Woods, black and sky blue hat, kind of like this one. I have the black and white Southern Woods hat. This is a black and sky blue hat. All right, very nice, adjustable. This will be the other item on this first half of the month's auction block. So 2 items every 2 weeks, essentially. I think the auction lasts 10 days is the max I could put it at. So May 13th will be the deadline to throw a bid out there, and hopefully you can win that nice shirt or this hat. Again, not the most efficient or amazing way probably to make money to start out, but I'm just thinking this is for the more dedicated fans that want something that may never see the light of day in a merch store. All right, maybe I'll try exclusive designs, limited time designs. It's just something extra, something special. Oh, and along with, if you do end up getting this in the auction, it'll come with a autographed Southern Woods card and a Southern Woods sticker as well, complimentary. So who knows how many people will be interested in that, but at least in the next couple months until I can get those watch hours up, hopefully I can make a few bucks off of that and support myself in the meantime. So don't want to get this video too long, so a synopsis of everything in case you're skipping ahead and just want me to briefly mention everything again. We reached over 500 subscribers. This is a very monumentous moment. I'm very thankful and happy for everyone involved. I'm done with college, essentially, so now I'm going to try YouTube full-time, try to make it my career, which means I'm devoting a lot of time, energy, and effort like I would any other career. I'm going to try to upload daily, like a video, then a short the next day, video short. I try to get a good, consistent upload schedule. We need to get the watch hours up to officially be available to make money off of YouTube. And in the meantime, you can go to my eBay site, my eBay profile, and check out the auction block where you can find, new and exclusive limited time merch, or maybe a relic, collector's item like an autographed t-shirt or something like that. So with that being said, thank you for everything. Hit that like button to show your support. Share the channel with someone else you think may like it. All right, let's get the subscribers up, and most definitely right now the watch hours up. So maybe watch this video 5 times and hopefully not want to jump off a building afterwards. So without further ado, Southern Woods out. Thank y'all.